All right, let's look at this question. I think one simple question on plane geometry 1, the angle properties of a paraline. This is question number 21, WASSCE September 2024. We are finding a value of t. This t is the angle formed when this line presumed to be the transverse crossing over. So we can extend it further, right? We can extend this line further to become the transverse, extend this as well to become the transverse. Then we apply some of the concepts we know under properties of parallels. Or we redraw the diagram in this way, making the third line in the middle being a parallel line to the two lines we already have. That means the angle here will be equal to this angle in terms of alternate angle, right? And this angle 35 degree is the same as the angle we have here by vertically what? Opposite angle. Then this will also be here as what? 35 degree, right? Then the angle we have 140, this angle here, we can also find this angle as what? 40 degrees. Angles on a straight line, right? So if that is the case, between this parallel line and this is the transverse. So here will also become what? 40 degree. And the 35 and the 40 are occupying the position of what? T. So we only say that T is equals to 40 degree plus 35 degree, and that will give us 75 degree in the case of what? This, as the option C. So we can say this being equal using vertically what? Opposite angles. Then this and this will also be equal using the alternate what? Angles, right? Now if you look at this angle is also corresponding. So we can also use corresponding property to get rid of that. Finding the 40, we can also say this angle and the 140 are co-interior. So we can apply co-interior property to get the 40 as well in order to get the T to be 75 degree. I know you can spot this out within 3 seconds. Then if you like the video, share, comment and subscribe.